Hi, this is Shawn Cole, affiliates, online marketer, online entrepreneur, royalty affiliate, and I'm here to give you an update on one of my companies that I'm affiliate for, which is Royalty. Um, Big announcement they came out with Saturday, the 28th, Saturday the 28th of September, 2019. Um, Now we have marketing done for you. We will do all your online marketing from running your ads, creating your landing pages, running your email campaigns, to like I say, email blasters, creating your social media posts, creating your blog posts. All done for you by Royalty. Sounds incredible, right? Unbelievable. I know it is, but please believe this has been the plan all along since about the beginning of the year and the last year, that everything that they have put into place was leading towards this initiative here. Um, they came out with the pins, the virtual pins, and then the landing pages format and all the capabilities there with the landing pages and everything else. And basically, what the issue is with Royalty, we want to help you become a successful online marketer, because successfully sell your products online and get your message out. The unfortunate thing about that is a lot of people do not have the knowledge or the capability or maybe the time to know how to do that properly. So basically what Royalty has did, they have taken all the input that we have put into it as affiliates, as customers and everything like that. All the ads we've run, all the landing pages we have built, all the email campaigns we have run, and they pretty much have taken all that data and come up with and grab the most successful ones, right? And they will be pretty much using those templates to automate your advertising for you. Taking our most successful campaigns, our most successful ads, our most successful landing page campaigns, capture page campaigns, video page campaigns, putting them all together, breaking them down by niche and category, whatever it is that you specialize in, and do all your marketing, all your advertising for you. And the best thing about it is it's not going to cost you an additional penny for the price points that we already are. Doesn't get any better than that. One thing is you have to get in by November 23rd so that you can get in and maintain your same amount of ad views that you currently get through your VF pins, your virtual pins, for where you get the amount of people that are actually seeing your ad. You get in by there, you still maintain that price point. You're coming at the 23rd, they're cutting your views in half for your ads. No big deal, because the thing is that you'll be guaranteed to be having a successful campaign using our system. If you have no experience with advertising online, you don't know what you are doing. You're totally new or just totally blind or just have been totally running unsuccessful campaigns, we're fixing that for you here at Royalty. Totally done for you AI marketing automation. You can get that and get 10,000 views on your advertisement for $87 a month, as long as you get in before November 23rd, 2019. So, today is Sunday, September 28th, 29th. Hold on real quick. I'll tell you right off the bat. It's the 29th. Sunday, September 29th, 2019. So that roughly gives you a little over a month to get in. We give a free trial. Take a look at it. Play with it. See what we offer. See how it works. Make a decision before November 23rd, 2019. I say, why wait? I say, well, everything that we have to offer, I believe that you should get in now and take advantage of it now. Get everything running now. You need help, you can reach out to me, Shawn Cole. I'll be more than glad to help you out with that. Get in now. Take advantage of this new product while it's hot. Take advantage. Get your full money's worth in. Do not be a waiter to the 23rd. You figure October, we're hitting into the fourth quarter. Do you want to make sales in your business or not? Do you want to drive traffic to your opportunity or not? I say you do. That's why you're here. That's why you're watching this video. Come in now. The link's in the description of this video. If you have any questions, you can reach me, 410-929-3390. Again, I'm Shawn Cole, 410-929-3390. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer them questions for you and to walk you through step by step everything that Royaltie has to offer for you. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.